Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn how we can utilize compute statement in order to perform combined arithmetic operations. Okay. Prior to this session, we have already discussed different type of arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will talk about the combined arithmetic operation using compute statement. Okay, so this is very important topic because there are some scenarios in your project. You might face some scenarios in your project where you are supposed to utilize the combined arithmetic operations. So in that situation, how we will use it, we are going to discuss this. Okay, fine. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because if you follow the session sequentially, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. But for now, we are just focusing on the compute statement for performing combined arithmetic operation. Clear? Okay. So now here you can see we have already created one program which is TSCBPGM78, and this program we are going to use for the demo purpose. So I'll take option 2 over here and I'll explain you. We are going to proceed in the same way. Firstly, we will understand the program. We will write the code from scratch and then we will see the output as well. Okay, fine. So I'm taking option 2 over here to take the program in edit mode. Now here you can see, firstly we have noted down the identification division block. Now what is identification division block? This block is mainly used to store the information related to program identity. Okay, so whenever you want to store the source identity related information, that thing you will keep in this identification division block. At the moment, we have just noted down the program ID and author name. Now here, program ID is denoting the program name and author is denoting the author name. You can see it. Uh, Program ID is TSCBPGM78, which is the program name, and author is Sharmit. Clear? Fine. Now here what we can see, we have some comment line here in this from line number 5 to line number 7. These comment line we have declared by placing the asterisk on 7th position. How to do this? Let's place your cursor on the very first position. Now from here you can count till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. On 7th position when you place asterisk, after that whatever you will write here will be considered as your comment line. Okay, so here like you can see I have declared 3 comment line just to show you the topic name in the box like structure, and the topic name is compute for combined arithmetic operations. Fine. Now at line number 10 we are using the stop run, which will terminate the program flow. So in between this we will write the main logic of our program. So to implement any demo, firstly we would need some variables, right? So to declare the variables, what we are going to do, we are going to write here data division. Okay, we have just noted on the data division. Now in this data division, if you do page down from here and insert 20 blank line just to write the code further, let's add some character here and then you can remove it. Fine. So this data division has been added. Now it's time to write the working storage section. So here I will write working hyphen storage section. Okay, this section has been declared. Under this is working storage section, we can declare all those variables which we are going to utilize throughout the program. So here I will mention all those variables. So to mention those variables, you can simply firstly specify the level number. So I'm going to declare the variable with the level number 0, 1 with higher data hierarchy. So I'll simply put it here like this. Then we will specify the variable name or a data name. So for example, I want to create it with the name profit1. Okay, then we can put PIC to denote picture clause, 9 of 3, which is numeric 3 digit. Okay, and we wanted to initialize some value to this variable, so for that you can use value clause, value, and the value would be 500 for example. Okay, or maybe 50 we can keep for now. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to create another variable. So at least we need 2 3 variables. So let's go with the same level number. Variable name would be the same. Number would variable names would be the different. So profit 2 PIC 9 of 3. 9 is denoting numeric and 3 is denoting the length. Then we will initialize the value with, for example, 5. So we are ready with these two variables. Now it's time to declare another variable. So to declare the variable, you will write here 0 1. Variable name would be result PIC 9 of 3. Okay, and then you can simply terminate it. Now we are ready with these three variables. Now after this, what we are going to do, uh, like we have declared three variable 0 1 profit 1 PIC 9 of 3 value 50, 0 1 profit 2 PIC 9 of 3 value 5, and 0 1 result PIC 9 of 3. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create another section where we will write the main logic of the program, which is procedure division. So let's simply write here procedure division. Okay, now in this procedure division, what we are going to do, we are going to specify the, let's firstly print out all those values before any modification, just to verify at the time of screen, like when we are going to see the output, at that moment we should be aware of what was the initial value and what we got as a result. So here I'll write display display, then quote profit 1 value before any modification would be profit 1. Clear? Likewise, we will declare we will display the value of another variable. So simply write here display profit 2 value before any modification is profit 2. Now there is no need to print a result value because we know that so far we have not initialized anything in a result variable, so therefore we are skipping it just to print. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to utilize the compute statement. So let me write here the actual compute statement. So compute, but this time we are going to use multiple arithmetic operation. Okay, so compute, and after that you can simply write here your variable which will hold the output. So result, then equal, here we will write profit 1 plus profit 2. Let's keep it in a parenthesis. Then we can simply put here asterisk, then profit 1 divided by profit 2. Okay, so we are ready with this statement. So what this statement will do, it will perform the combined arithmetic operation, which is like this. Expression is this: profit 1 plus profit 2 asterisk profit 1 divided by profit 2. So you can see we are using addition, multiplication, division, and if you want you can also add subtraction here. It is up to you, like it totally depend on your requirement, like how you want to create the situation, or maybe how you would like to go and create the combination. Okay, but for now we are just using this scenario. Now let's print the value because we are done with the computation. So here I'll write display result colon is, and then the result value. So result. Clear? So we are ready with this. Now it's time to remove the unnecessary lines from the code. So I'll just simply remove the unnecessary line, and we are good with the program to save and compile. So I just compile bit 14, and now I'm calling this because it is successfully compiled. So after I call, you will see here the profit 1 value before any modification is 50, profit 2 value before any modification is 5, and result is 550. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the compute statement in order to perform combined arithmetic operations. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.